Punjab and Sindh Bank celebrated its 117th Foundation Day, and it was yet another occasion to remember the rapid progress the bank has made over the past many years. Established in 1908 by Sardar Tarlochan Singh Ji, Sir Sundar Singh Majitha Ji and Bhai Veer Singh Ji, we celebrated our 117th Foundation Day. The auspicious day commenced with a Path ceremony at Gurudwara Shri Bangla Sahib Ji in Delhi, attended by the Chairman, MD and CEO, Executive Director, Government Nominee Director, CVO and other dignitaries.
117वां स्थापना दिवस है ते साडे वड्डे भाग ने असी बंगला साहब आके अखंड पाठ साहब जी की सेवा ਦਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮੌਕਾ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੇ ਅਖੰਡ ਪਾਠ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਸਮਾਪਤੀ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੈੱਡ ਗ੍ਰੰਥੀ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਬੰਗਲਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰ ਸਨ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ ਗੁਰੂ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਨੂੰ ਕਿ ਸਾਡਾ ਬੈਂਕ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ 'ਚ ਰਹੇ ਤੇ ਵੱਧ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਧ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੇਸ਼ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਕੌਮ ਦੀ ਸੇਵਾ ਕਰ ਸਕੀਏ।
And this was followed by the inauguration of a mobile ATM van, which will cater to customers of Delhi NCR and nearby places. A model smart branch at Safdarjung Enclave, New Delhi was inaugurated by the MD and CEO in the presence of general managers, zonal manager and other dignitaries.
तो हम इस फाउंडेशन डे की सेलिब्रेशन का एक कड़ी यहाँ रखा है कि आज की जनरेशन को समझने के लिए हम ब्रांच ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर रहे हैं, एक स्मार्ट ब्रांच का हिसाब से हम पेश कर रहे हैं। तो हम मेरा बहुत खुशी है कि आज ये हम कर पा रहे हैं और आगे भी हम लगभग 50 और ब्रांचेस ऐसे ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करेंगे ऑल इंडिया बेसिस पे।
Nationwide events such as tree plantation drives, blood donation camps, health camps, Rangoli competitions, and CSR initiatives like donating water coolers and wheelchairs were organized. The bank also announced various MOUs and tie-ups on the Foundation Day. Additionally, Punjab and Sindh Bank formalized a partnership with FinVisa Technology Private Limited to offer mutual fund and stock broking services through the advanced PSB Unique app. The Foundation Day also saw the launch of various special products. The day concluded with celebrations at the corporate office, featuring the bank anthem and an address by the MD and CEO to all employees. The outstanding efforts of our employees have consistently propelled the bank during this journey of 117 years. While rejoicing at having come this far, we look forward to many more years of continued growth.
I would like to congratulate each one of you for this on this auspicious day of the 117th Foundation Day of the bank. Let this year be a transformative year and very eventful year and very eventful year for all of us. And on this momentous occasion, I extend my best wishes to all of you and your family members. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.